Hello guys, my name is Anna and this is Anna Language School. Today is gonna be an unusual video because we are doing a makeup tutorial that will help you to learn all the vocabulary that is connected to the makeup topic. We're gonna start with using the foundation, and to put it on my face I'm gonna use the brush. Some people prefer to do this with fingers, but with brush is more convenient for me. Now I'm going to use eyebrow pencil to do my brows. First we're gonna brush them, then I'm going to use the pencil, and then I'm gonna brush them again. Now we are going to use the eyebrow gel to fix the brows. Now we are moving to the makeup of the eyes, and I'm going to use the darker color for the eyelid fold. Arlequina! Now I'm gonna go with the sparkling eyeshadows for the eyelid. Now I'm going to use the highlighter in the inner corner of the eyes and under the eyebrows. I'm the kind of person that can't live without the wings, so I'm going to use the eyeliner to make my eyes look like cat eyes or whatever you call it. Naturally, my lashes are kinda straight, so I'm going to use the eyelash curler to make them curl. Just don't be afraid of this step. The final step for the eyes is going to be the mascara. I like when lashes look volume and big. If some mascara appears on your eyelid, you can easily fix it using the dry cotton pad. Some people do this to find their cheekbones, but please don't do this. All you need to do is to find your cheekbone over here and then to put the contour powder underneath. I adore highlighter. I'm a fan of highlighter, so I'm going to use this above my cheekbones a lot. Now we are going to use the blush to make your look fresher. For this, you are going to smile and find your cheeks. This makeup is kinda in pink color, so for the lips I'm gonna go with pink color. First we are going to use the lip pencil. This is good, but to bring my lips out, I'm going to use the lip gloss on top of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially ladies. Subscribe to our channel to find out more vocabulary videos on various topics. See you next videos. Stay safe.